Welcome to our website, the home of quality driving lessons in Newbury and our online driving course. Our online driving course is available nationwide and should be used in conjunction with a course of real driving lessons. There are over 4 hours of footage available, all recorded with a full briefing, live commentary and examples of real situations captured on our dash cams. I'm going to give you 5 reasons to choose Ultimate Driving for your driving lessons in Newbury. Number 1. You get what you pay for. We only use fully qualified driving instructors who have pass rates well above the national average, and tuition is provided in the latest Mini Cooper fitted with dual controls. Our lesson prices are not the cheapest in the area, but unused block bookings are refundable within a year of initial payment. We are really grateful to over 150 past pupils who've left 5-star Google reviews. Our instructors do not piggyback the previous pupil home, and all lessons are conducted on a one-to-one basis. Number 2. Structured learning. Your instructor will provide written and verbal feedback, which will be recorded on your lesson notes. The notes will be visible using a link to a PDF file that should be viewed by the pupil on a smartphone before every lesson. The notes would include things to work on, plus any relevant pictures and diagrams. Number 3. Time focused and organised. We pride ourselves on being punctual. We cannot guarantee that we can be on time every lesson due to traffic, but if we are running more than, say, 5 minutes late, the pupil would be notified and would only pay for the time spent in the car. Each pupil is given an appointment card which records the date, time and location of driving lessons along with how much has been paid. The card also serves as a record of progress, showing which topics have been covered along with what local knowledge has been practiced. Number 4. Peace of mind. Both pupil and instructor need to comply with our terms and conditions, which set out how lessons should be attended and conducted. They cover everything to do with cancellations, refunds, payments and booking a driving test. All lesson bookings are recorded on the appointment card or over a text or WhatsApp message. This makes it easy to work out who was at fault if, for example, someone no-showed. Our cars are all fitted with dash cams for safety, which means footage can also be reviewed shortly after any driving instance on a lesson with the pupil. Number 5. Mock tests. Every pupil that intends to use one of our cars on the driving test must have a mock test with another Ultimate Driving instructor. This is always conducted in the same format as the test and gives both pupil and instructor an idea of what standard has been attained and how much further there is to go. Please check out our Facebook page and subscribe to our channel on YouTube, which has many videos including how to do the Sainsbury's and Robin Hood roundabouts, and a playlist aimed at parents supervising learners at home. If you'd like to get in touch, please use the contact form.